Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Wonder to do a full cabin tour of a 9D Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom. This room does sleep up to 4 adults and can be a little cramped with 4 people in it.
And this particular room is on deck 1 because it is that 9D category. So instead of one Oceanview porthole, we actually have 2 here. Again, kind of a small room, but you do have the window, so it's a little bit better than an inside stateroom.
Let's go check it out.
When you first come into the room here over on your left, you'll find your closets. One half of the closet just has the closet rod there, and then you have your life vests up top. And then down below that, lots of space for storing your luggage. And then on the other half of the closet here, you've got your safe, and you also have a bag if you'd like to send out laundry for service. Down there, you also have a ladder in here for the pull-down upper berth that your stateroom host, of course, will assist you with if you need that bed, and more hanging space with the closet rod there. Just past the closet, we have a small little table here with some water glasses and some drawers for storage. Pretty deep drawers here, a decent amount of space there if you're going to use that for unpacking here in the room. And then above that little table, we have a picture of Walt Disney and his wife Lillian back in 1934 on a cruise ship. Over across from the closet area, we have our bathroom. Now, this is a split bathroom setup here. So the first half of the bathroom here is going to have your toilet as well as a single vanity and some storage over there on the wall in the corner. We've got a small shelf here above the sink attached to the mirror. Of course, we have some soap in here as well and some storage down below the sink. And there is a hairdryer here on the right built into the wall, but there's a better one in the room over on the desk that we'll show you in just a minute. The other half of the bathroom is where you'll find the shower and tub. You can see we have a single vanity in here as well with a decent amount of counter space. There's some storage down below. There's also our little shelf here attached to the mirror that has some lotion and a makeup wipe. And then we have a plug built into the mirror right there that you cannot use for things like hair dryers. Those you use over on the desk. And then our shower and tub here, you can see the Mickey heads right there kind of on the shower curtain in the rope. When we pull that open, you'll be able to see we have the detachable shower head here, as well as the full-size tub. And then we have the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash H2O products here in this room. Heading out into the rest of the room, you can see our main bed in here is a queen-size bed, and this is raised up off the ground, so we have storage space underneath for your luggage. And then the bed has a blue bed runner on it with some different nautical elements, as well as the Disney Cruise Line logo and Mickey Mouse there on the bed runner. We've got a full-length mirror over here on the wall, and then beside the bed we've got a lamp that has the different Disney parks around the world as well as the Disney cruise ships represented, and some little Mickey heads cut out around the bottom of the lamp there. Down below that we have a small shelf as well as a drawer, and then we have 2 wall outlets where you can plug things up. And on the other side of the bed, the exact same setup except for there is a phone, which means you only have 1 wall outlet instead of 2. Across from the bed, we have a small little storage area here that has a picture from Pirates of the Caribbean. Mark Davis did a sketch there back in 1965. And the storage down here is a couple drawers that are a decent size, not super deep, but they've got a little bit of space there, as well as the cabinets down here that give you some storage space as well. You can partition off the other half of the room using the curtains there. It does a pretty good job of blocking out the light over there. And then on this half of the room, we have that couch that pulls down into a twin-size bed, and we also have the upper berth that pulls down, which is another twin-size bed, and your stateroom host will take care of getting those ready for you each evening if you need them. Castaway Cay, Disney's private island, is represented here in this piece of artwork. We've even got Goofy over here snorkeling, so that's kind of cool. And then across from the couch, we have our desk and TV. We've got a small television there with some storage up above it. Down below the TV is where you'll find the mini fridge. And this mini fridge is not huge, but it's got a decent amount of space in there. And next to the fridge, you also have your hair dryer that I mentioned earlier. It's in this top drawer here, and it plugs up right there on the wall beside the TV. There's an outlet for it. There's also additional wall outlets there and a couple USB charging outlets as well. On each side of the mirror, we've got a couple lights that have those little Mickey cutouts in them, just like the ones by the bed. And the little drawer right here has a few things in there for you. You've got some postcards from Disney Cruise Line, some stationery, as well as a door hanger where you can order breakfast to be delivered to your room early in the morning. This room again is an ocean view room, and since it is a 9D, instead of having one porthole, we actually have two small portholes down here on the first deck. So we've got one porthole here and one right here, and you can look out. Kind of an ocean view. It's not nearly as good as the larger portholes in my opinion, but it is kind of cool to have. And if you really want to, you can close them. They do have this door over here that you can close them up, but if you paid for an ocean view room, why would you want to close those up? The curtains do a really good job of blocking out the light if you want to have a little bit more darkness here in the room. And that's going to conclude our tour of this Category 9D Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom here on the Disney Wonder.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and comment with any questions. We're happy to answer those.
And make sure you hit that subscribe button while you're down there. You can find tons of other room tours on all the Disney Cruise Line ships on our channel, as well as room tours at the Walt Disney World resorts and other Disney destinations around the world. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time,
We're here with the ears.